Hello, I'm Mark with RADIA Products. Today I'm going to show you how to change your orange belts on your 1400 model or 5400 model classic shakers. So first things first, we want to make sure that there's no power to the machine. So make sure we unplug the machine first. And the first step is taking off the plastic cover guards if it is a 1400 model. First thing, come around to the back here. You want to unplug the limit switch. It's a simple plug. Press the sides, pull out. Then to make it easy, 7/16 socket. If you don't have a impact gun, a ratchet will work. And we have 4 bolts. 2 up on the top and 2 on the bottom. So we'll just zip those right off. What we'll do is remove the center cover bolts. There's 4, again 2 on each side, and this will be a 1/2-inch socket. Now there is a metal sleeve that will sit here. Sometimes they will come off, sometimes they will stay on the cover. Next, we need to take off the timer plate. Regardless if it is a push button model or a manual dial timer, there's going to be 4 screws to remove this plate. To make it a little easier, you can get a little flathead screwdriver, pry it underneath, give it some force. Alright, once we remove the screws for the timer plate, we'll remove the timer plate, turn it sideways, put it through the opening. And to remove the enclosure, you want to pull up and out to get the limit switch connector out of its hole. Then you're just going to pull the 2 sides out. Once the enclosure is removed, we have our transmission pulley and our motor pulley. To remove the belt, pull on the belt, turn it counterclockwise, and it'll come right off that motor pulley. Keep turning it, and the belt will come right out off both pulleys. To replace and put the new belt on, feed it into the top track. With your finger, hold it there, turn the pulley counterclockwise so it clears the bracket. Put it around the bottom motor pulley, and then just rotate the top transmission pulley clockwise, and that belt will reseat itself, and your belt replacement is complete. You just need to reinstall the enclosure and the safety guards, and this job is all done.